Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Python complete course. So in the previous video, we study about instead method, class method, and static method. So now we are going to study about inheritance. So inheritance help us existing code instead of writing the same code again and again. So almost every large company software app uses inheritance in its software application. So by the end of this video, we will study about what is inheritance, why use inheritance, type of inheritance, and all about this. So first of all, this is the introduction that inheritance allow one class to acquire property of another class promoting code reuse. So what is inheritance? A child derived class inheritance attribute and method from a parent's base class. So basically, inheritance is a feature in which one class acquired the property and method of another class. The class that gives property is called the parent class, that is base class. That gives property is called parent class, base class, and the class that receive property or inheritance those property is called the child class, that is derived class. So think of a child inheritance quality from their parents like this examples, or you can use real like example, like suppose we have a class in vehicles. It contains in vehicles, any vehicles like any vehicle you suppose, and it contains engine, wheel, start, stop function. So now we create another class called car. Instead of writing this feature again, car inherits them from features, because these property are the like engine, wheel, start function, stop function. These property are common in every vehicles, every type of vehicle. So car, he does not need to type the again of this code. He just inherited the value from vehicles. So the car class automatically get the property of and method of vehicle. So yeah, the next is why use inheritance, or why do we need it? So the it reduce code duplication, improve maintainability, and support hierarchical. Sorry, guys, I cannot pronounce it properly. So hierarchical design. So and someone another question is, we will move to the next type of inheritance. That is, first we will do an code. Why do we need inheritance? So let's do a question. Solve make a program on inheritance. like this. The start function common in car or bike. So this is the vehicle class that inheritance from it. So the syntax is like that. We will do it in next part, next video part. We will do the part two, full code.